Hello friends, welcome to Chetan classes. Today we are going to learn transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. So transpose means rows become columns. It means if A is equal to Aij, then A transpose is equal to Aj. Some properties of transpose of a matrix. First property, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose is equal to B transpose plus A transpose. Second, AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Here note that matrix multiplication is not commutative. It means AB is not equal to BA. Third, if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I, then A is called orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Note, any square matrix A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is equal to B plus C, where B is equal to symmetric matrix and this value is 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose, and C is equal to skew symmetric matrix, which is equal to half into A minus A transpose. So therefore we write A as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 3 and B is equal to 2, 6, minus 3, 4, find AB transpose. Solution. First find AB. So AB is, substitute the values of matrix A and B. So matrix B is 2, 6, minus 3, 4. Now first row, first column, that is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. Then first row, second column, that is 1 into 6 plus 2 into 4. Now second row, first column, so 5 into 2 plus 3 into minus 3. And second row, second column, so 5 into 6 plus 3 into 4. So here 2 minus 6. Here 6 plus 8, here 10 minus 9, 30 plus 12 is equal to minus 4, here 14, 1 and here 42. We want to find AB transpose. So therefore AB transpose, it means row becomes column. So first row, it has first column, so minus 4, 14, this is the first column, and second row becomes second column, that is 142. Take another example. if A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4 and B is equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 2, verify that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So first find A plus B. So A plus B is 1, 3, 2, 4 plus 2 minus 1, 3, 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, here 3 plus minus 1, here 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2, 5 and 6. Now find AB transpose. So therefore A plus B, its transpose is equal to, first row become first column, that is 3, 2, 5 and 6. Consider this is equation number 1. Now A transpose plus B transpose. So A transpose, its row becomes column, that is 1, 3, 2, 4 and B transpose is 2 minus 1, 3, 2. Now add this. So therefore A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus minus 1 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 3, 5, 2 and 6. Consider this is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 and equation number 2, right hand side is same. So therefore, so from 1 and 2 we get A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next example of transpose of a matrix is if A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, 4, 5, 0 and B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, then verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So first find AB. So AB is, A is 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, 4, 5, 0 into matrix B 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. अब मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं ये हमने लास्ट वीडियो में ऑलरेडी देखा है. So first row first column I write here directly. So here 1 plus 4 plus 0. Now 0 plus 2 minus 1, then 0 plus 0 minus 3, then 3 plus 0 plus 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 2, here 0 plus 0 plus 6, now 4 plus 10 plus 0, here 0 plus 5 plus 0, here 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to, here 5, 1 minus 3, 3, 2, 6, 14, 5, 0. So AB transpose is, row becomes column. So first row becomes first column, that is 5, 1 minus 3, here 3, 2, 6 and 14, 5, 0. Consider this is equation number 1. So we want to verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Then find B transpose. B transpose is our B matrix 1 0 0 2 1 0 0 1 3. So B transpose is 1 0 0. This is our first column. Then 2 1 0 and 0 1 3. Similarly, A transpose, first row become first column. So 1 2 minus 1, 3 0 2 and 4 5 0. Now find B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose into A transpose is, substitute the values, 1 2 0 0 1 1 0 0 3 into A transpose. So 1 3 4 2 0 5 minus 1 2 0 is equal to, here 1 plus 4 plus 0, now 3 plus 0 plus 0, now 4 plus 10 plus 0, now 0 plus 2 minus 1, then 0 plus 0 plus 2, then 0 plus 5 plus 0, here 0 plus 0 minus 3, 0 plus 0 plus 6 and 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5 3 14 1 2 5 minus 3 6 0. Consider equation number 2. Now equation number 1, see equation number 1 and 2. First row 5 3 14. Here B transpose A transpose, first row is 5 3 14. Second row 1 2 5. Here also 1 2 5 and minus 3 6 0 minus 3 6 0. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Hence prove.